Are you tired of the bright white interface of Facebook, straining your eyes during late-night browsing sessions? Well, fret no more. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Facebook dark mode using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension with its amazing night mode feature. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Open your Google Chrome web browser and click on the three dots icon. Then select the Extensions menu item, followed by Visit Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. In the search box, type Turn Off the Lights and press Enter. Look for the stable version of the Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension and click on it. Next, click on the blue button that says Add to Chrome. A new pop-up window will appear, and click on the Add Extension button. Great! Now that you have the extension installed, let's move on to enabling dark mode on Facebook. Once the installation is complete, you will see a lamp icon in the top right corner of your browser. Double-click on it to access the mini settings panel. Next, click on the Night Mode tab. Enable the first checkbox that says, Show the night switch button below the web to make the page dark or light. Here, you will instantly see the switch added, allowing you to convert the current Facebook website to your personal Facebook dark mode website with just a single click. Voila! You will notice that Facebook is now in dark mode, providing a more comfortable and visually pleasing browsing experience. And there you have it. By using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension with its night mode feature, you can easily enable dark mode on Facebook and enjoy a more eye-friendly interface. Say goodbye to the harsh brightness and hello to a more relaxed browsing experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. See you in the next one.